Hello, and welcome to another tutorial presented by TechniHost.com. We've been getting hundreds of questions a week on how to log into your Linux VPS. So we decided to make this quick tutorial on how to access and manage your virtual private server from TechniHost.com. When you sign up for TechniHost, your VPS will be created immediately after your payment is submitted. You're going to need two essential tools to log into your VPS, or virtual private server. The most important tool is an internet connection. The second tool is an SSH program. In this case, we're going to be using a tool called PuTTY. The download link will also be provided in the description of this video. PuTTY is also free for all who wants to know. You'll need three important things before being able to log into your VPS. The three things you'll need to know are the IP of your VPS, your username, which most of the time will always be root, R-O-O-T, unless you add a new user. And then in that case, you'll need to add that user to your wheel group, which will be provided in another tutorial on how to do that. Your root password, which we recommend being at least 15 characters, lowercase, uppercase, and ASCII characters all mixed together. First of all, you're going to open your freshly downloaded SSH client called PuTTY, which will look just like this. Your IP will go in the first box presented to you, which is your host name or IP address. Do not put your host name if it does not resolve, because you will not get anything. Alright, you're going to be presented with a black box that says login as, which will be root. You're going to be presented with a password. Now when you type in your password, you're not going to see any characters. This is for security purposes. As you can see, it logs in. It tells you the last person who logged into your VPS. And then you can type here. This right here tells you what you're logged in as. In our case, we're logged in right now as root. At YouTube. YouTube is our host name. You can look at your host name by typing host name. You can change that host name by typing host name example. It will change your host name. We're going to go back to YouTube though. Alright. Another part of the quick tutorial, we're going to show you how to view the processes, which is the same thing as hitting Alt Control Delete on your Windows computer. You're going to type in the name top, T-O-P. You can look down and view all these processes down here. You can look at your server load and load averages right there. The first one right here is your current load average, and these ones are past load averages. Depending on what you have it set up, it's usually within the last load, which is about 5 to 10 seconds, unless you hit enter. You can hit enter and it will update it. We will be creating more tutorials on different aspects of how to use your VPS, how to use your shared hosting cPanel account, and many more. So keep checking back to our YouTube channel, which is going to be youtube.com/TechniHost. To get out of your top, you'll hit Control Z, CTRL plus Z on your keyboard. So whenever you need a freshly new VPS for a very cheap price starting at $10.99 per month, check out www.technihost.com, which is provided right here. Have a wonderful day.